It doesn't have to be in the simple, boring way that you're thinking. Hey, welcome back to Brow Tap Build Beyond. I'm Alex, and this channel is for beauty pros who are ready to build beyond their one-on-one clients, who are ready to make more money and have more freedom. So you're ready? Let's build beyond. Last week, we wrapped up on the Build Beyond online course founding student launch, and I'm so excited for all of our founding students to get started creating new streams of income in their business. I cannot wait for the first group coaching call. If you missed out, don't worry, don't let FOMO hit you too hard. Build Beyond will reopen for enrollment before the summit ends, I promise. You will get a chance to join the next round of the course to start building your new income streams too, which leads us in today's topic, continuing on the series we started 2 weeks ago, adding new streams of revenue to your beauty business. Side note, if you click the link in the caption, this is going to add you to the Build Beyond waitlist so you get first access to our next launch. Okay, back at it. So the first video we talked about adding digital products to your business as a new stream of income. And it's no secret, it's my fave because I love sharing knowledge and help others do what I've done. But that can be done in other ways, which is in-person training, teaching what you know in person instead of online. Now, the cool thing about this is how you can link them together. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a little expansive trick with you. Stay. In-person trainings are tried and true ways of adding new streams of income to your business and making a lot of money because it goes back to your skills, knowledge, and experience being super valuable. And in the beauty industry, a lot of times what we want to teach can really benefit from being in the same room, hands-on with our student. And it doesn't have to be in the simple, maybe boring way that you're thinking of adding in-person training to your business. But let's crunch some numbers first. So let's say you decide to host a 3-day microblading fundamental course. This is one that I personally offer. And let's say you're charging $3,500 for the course. Keep in mind you will have some expenses, supplies, rent, disposables, whatnot. Let's say you teach one student and it costs you about $600 for that student because you can use your own space. In 3 days, you are making $2,900. That's almost $1,000 a day. But let's say you teach 2 students and it costs you about $1,000 per student because now you need to rent a space. But in 3 days, you are making $5,000. That's over $1,500 per day. If your goal was to make $10K in a month, instead of having to see 40 clients working 80 hours, you would only have to see 20 clients working 40 hours, plus let's say the 24 from the 3-day course, working almost 20 hours less, having to attract less clients and make the same amount of money. Or you could just stack that on top of your 40 clients and add 4K of income to that month. The choice is yours at this point, but the cool thing is one way or another, you're making more money. So back to what I was saying, how it doesn't have to be the old boring, same old in-person training that you may be thinking of. Not to say there is anything wrong. I still offer those because I love to teach microblading and there is still a demand for it. But you can have fun with it, just like we talked about in the last video of the series when choosing a topic for digital products. If you haven't watched yet, go check it out here and then come back. But it can be anything you are passionate about, really anything you're good at, something that you found a cool way of doing. Scrap the idea of the standard 3-day fundamental course. Do you have an awesome way of mapping brows that you can get that perfect shape in like 7 minutes flat every single time? Or a lash styling method that's easy to figure out what style is best for every single client based on an eye measurement? Teach that. Create a 1-day or 2-day masterclass where they can learn an advanced skill. Are you awesome at customer service? Do you close every single consult you have and you can teach others exactly what to say, which questions to ask, what information to share that gets you booked every time? Teach that. Teach an advanced skill. Stroke patterns, volume styling, color theory. Set yourself apart and target an audience of students looking specifically to grow in that area of their business. This in turn will also help you attract more clients for your service because it's going to set you up as an expert. And who doesn't want to book, not mention pay top dollar for an expert? Okay, finally, and as promised, what you stayed till the end for, how it all links together, how you can link your in-person trainings and your digital projects to multiply your reach and your income even more, to make them build on top of each other. I think creating an example would be probably the best way for me to explain this. So I'll do it starting at both points because you can start wherever you like. So let's say you start with a digital product all about color theory for PMU. You could offer those online students an upgrade for an in-person day with you, a hands-on day where you play with pigment and you have a model come in. Or let's say on the other side of it, you decide to stick with a basic and, once again, nothing wrong with it, in-person 3-day fundamental microblading course. You can now offer them an online business growth course to help them build their business around the skills you just taught them. Now, I know this is exactly what I offer, but I'm sharing it with you because it works. Or let's say you teach an online Instagram course. You could offer a 1-day in-person networking event, all your students to meet in person and connect with each other. Or if you offer an in-person mapping masterclass, but you have students who can't travel to see you, you could turn that into an online course and reach even more students. When you are sharing your skills, your knowledge, your experience, whether it's in person or online, the opportunities and income possibilities are endless. So are you ready to add education to your business as a new stream of income, whether in person, trainings, or through digital products? If you are, I would love to be the one to teach you how to choose which is best for you, get you started on creating it, and then how to sign up your first students. Get on the Build Beyond waitlist to get first exclusive access to the next launch. Or I'm also going to be taking on a small group of one-on-one coaching students who want to work with me personally to start building their new streams of income. Links are in the caption. Choose which one fits best for you or sign up for both. And while you're at it, hit subscribe so you never miss a video. I put out new videos every Tuesday. See you then.